In QGIS, I have a multipart feature. When I select any part of the feature, all parts are selected. I cannot individually select any part. To separate these parts, we can go to Processing and then Toolbox and search for Multipart. We can use Multipart to Singleparts Processing tool, but it will create a new layer. But if we want to only select some feature and convert it to single parts in edit mode without creating any new layer, we can go to plugins, then manage and install plugins and search for Multipart and select Multipart Split and install plugin. Close. Now let's go to the edit mode and then right click on the toolbar, turn on advanced digitizing toolbar. Let's deselect and select this feature again. Now you will see a new tool that is called split feature parts. Now click this and it has splitted all the parts of the selected feature. Now we can save it and turn off edit. We can individually select any feature. If you want to delete, you can also delete individual features now. Thanks for watching.